Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about LCD displays, and I am going to tell you how we can print any text like hello world or your name, anything, how to print a text on LCD displays. So let's get started. And this board is specially made for connecting these LCD displays easily. So I'm also giving the schematic which is over here. If you are building this, you can also build it on your breadboard. Here you can see. So the reason why we are including a library called liquidcrystal.h is because as there is thousands of libraries, we are just telling them to use this library. So whatever we are saying inside the code, it takes only library which we are giving to them. So if you see the second line, we are just keeping a value for a variable. You can see it is rs which is just a variable. So rs is equal to 13. And we can also directly write 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. But to understand it more clearly, we can do like this. Rs is equal to 13, where we are just saying a variable rs is equal to a number 13. So just like that, same. A variable called en is equal to a number 12. So just like that. So as I am using an Arduino board which has a header for LCD display, you can also use the same code and follow the schematic which is over here. So if you see the void setup, you can see here lcd.begin 16,2. So you might ask, where did that lcd.begin has come from? We have already seen like serial.begin, but how lcd.begin? As we said, hash include liquidcrystal.h as we define the library, where lcd.begin, as we can understand it, it just begins that library. So lcd.begin, and you might ask, what is it about 16,2? Where it says the rows and the column. So 16,2, as we are using a 16x2 LCD display, we can use 16,2. So if we are using some bigger displays like 24x4, at that time we can change it. But here we are commonly using 16x2 LCD displays, so I am just entering 16,2. So after that, if you see lcd.print hello world, it is nearly similar to the serial monitor, where you will just put serial.print, the open bracket and double quotes. That similar to that, it's about LCD, where lcd.begin, where we are starting that header file and we are telling the row and column, which is the 16th row and column 2. So we are starting that whole array, and after that we are printing hello world, like how we would do in serial monitor. So that's it. It is very simple code. Now let's go and upload the code.